This is Mark Melvin, aka Pops. Well, at least that's what my kids call me. I never dreamed that one day somebody would call me Pops. It sounds like a name there's something wrong with your genitalia. Well, kids, the lesson for today is watch who you hanging with. Cause whatever they do is gonna turn into you or rub off on you. And when the police pull up, you wanna be able to say, I ain't had nothing to do with that. And I know y'all heard that saying, keep your friends close and your enemies closer. Bull. I say keep that hater far away as possible. Cause when somebody close to you, that's when they can do the most damage. Okay, planet Earth, until next time, don't be afraid of your yesterdays and don't worry about your tomorrows. You live your best day today. Peace.